We can party later on. Yeah, I see cherry blossom fall. Yeah, I'm tired of Christ, he's constantly calling. Yeah, I'm tired of life, feel there's nothing here for me. Yeah, but if I live, I'll live for you. Yeah, I said if I live, I'll live for you. Yeah, to see cherry blossom fall. Well, you search land and then sea, for sure there's no other. Lord, I'll be by your side when they're calling you mother. Yeah, the cherry tree will bow down to you. And the kings, they will line at the gate for you. But you never asked why I throw it all away when life chooses to be kind. Yeah, oh, why you can't seem to walk away, though you know you would be right to leave me. Yeah, I see cherry blossom fall. Thank you. I'm Patrick Freeman. I got a couple CDs here. We'll be back to you in a few moments. Thanks very much, guys.